How to share Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Instagram application. Once you do, log in into your account details and go to your profile section. Click on the three lines to go to settings and privacy. Scroll to the down until you see the option of sharing. Simply click on it. After that, here you will see the option of stories in message, stories they are mentioned in. So to share your Instagram story, you simply need to toggle on these features. At the bottom, you also have the feature of share on Facebook. So if you want to share your Instagram story to your Facebook account, simply click on and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.